earplugs in there? Find out.
You can.
What kind of earplugs? Huh? What kind? Just earplugs, anything.
Come on, guys.
Good, man.
Hi.
Are you Battleborn Rider?
I am.
Hi, I'm Mike. I follow you on Instagram.
Oh, you do?
On YouTube.
Oh, shit. Hi.
All right?
Yeah.
Right on. Cool.
Oh, that's new.
Yeah,
Hey.
you guys really in front of me? All right.
I know. Yeah, we are.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, you too. See ya.
Are you at the pants?
What? You giving me my selfie?
I got her taking a selfie.
Selfie.
Selfie. There's bugs everywhere.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Oh, that was great.
Look at where Kara Battleborn Rider brings us to go down. That is death. Such a bad idea.
Still ask for one for directions?
Not gonna happen. Look at just let me see.
Oh, come down. Come down. Fuck that.
Fuck that.
Fuck that. Another rip.
Nope.
I can't do it.
That was so cute.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I can't.
Yeah, I barely got mine up. Or backed up.
And so you guys know when to
It's so
fish.
short, right? I know.
Look at him. Look at.
Oh. No, when they brought it out to me after they lowered it, they're just like, I don't know how comfortable I feel about giving you this. Every speed bump, I have to like creep over it. I'm like, okay.
No.
Because it'll just. Oh yeah. That looks pretty tall. This 250 looks pretty
Seriously?
tall.
Well, especially look at it compared to mine.
Oh my god.
It's so little.
Yeah, you got the little lowering.
I've been watching you. At night, I think of you.
Call him Boy 1. And this girl, we're gonna call her Girl 1.
Hi.
A little fling, right? They were super attracted to each other.
You want to park right here?
Hop. Nope. We're gonna be like the cool kids. Like the cool kids. Damn, Daniel. Can you okay?
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Watch out, there's an oil stain. Somebody's bike squirted. Oh yeah. I like it when you talk dirty to me. Dude, I think my visor's all fucked. I need to take my helmet in for warranty. Because it's all weird. It's like, oh, fuck. Ever since I crashed. He's a chicken. And then that's selfie time.
So, no, that's a video.
Oh, same thing.
And Mario's down there.
We're gonna film Kara Battleborn Rider filming herself.
And filming Anthony.
It's like brother-sister video.
Oh shit. Love it.
I dare you to put your butt there and take pictures.
Dude, take a picture. Someone take a picture. Come on. It says butts only, okay? You ready?
Dude, you know how many people take a picture of that?
Are you guys ready?
I'll take a picture too. What's the snow in the background?
Got it? This is awkward.
Look at all those chickens.
Oh, damn it, I missed.
Those were like the most Asian people I've ever seen in Reno ever.